Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to make a group chat on Snapchat, so let's jump right into it. First, let's go ahead and open Snapchat and then go to your messages by tapping message icon on the bottom right here. From here, tap on the blue button on the bottom right corner of the screen, and then from here wait for a second. After that, tap on new group name. From there, give a name for your group. I'm gonna name it friends. And then to add people to that group chat, just tap on their profiles. Now remember, you cannot add people who are not already in your friends list. So you'll need to add them first to your friend list and then tap on their profile. After that, tap on chat with group on the bottom right here. And as you can see here, the group chat is made. You can share messages, pictures, you can have calls, video calls, or whatever. And that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And thanks for watching.